Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to activate a free SSL certificate using 0ssl.com. Head over to 0ssl.com, click on Online Tools, and under Free SSL Certificate, click Start. Now, once you get over here, you're going to enter the domain that you want to activate. And you can enter multiple ones separated by a white space or a comma. And in this video I'm doing a DNS verification, and we click accept and accept on both of those. So we're going to generate a CSR. Okay, and now the certificate has been created, and you just want to download that one once it's completed and click next, which is going to get you a key from Let's Encrypt. And these may take a while. Okay, fantastic. Now that that has been created, we can go ahead and download the private key and move on to the next step, which is the verification step. Now, I'm using a company called Loopia to host my website, and basically what we're going to be doing is creating a subdomain with this name, and that is going to verify that we have control, or rather we are the owners of the domain that we are going to put the SSL certificate on. So if you go ahead and copy this Acme challenge, that is going to be the prefix of our subdomain, and it says here that you need to create a DNS record of typed text with this as the record, and just note that this can take 15 to 20 minutes to come into effect. So I'm just going to show you and wait a while before I continue. And in Loopia, I go down here to my DNS editor and I add a subdomain. The subdomain is called Acme Challenge dot and your domain name. It is of type text. This TTL I will set as 3600, which is just the timeout value. And now we take this value and we copy it into data, and we go ahead and add that domain. Okay, now you bring up CMD. If you don't know how to do that, you type CMD into the search bar and you click enter, and we're going to use the command ns lookup and -q equals text, and now you're going to paste in this Acme challenge and your domain name. So you paste that in and you run that. It's there, it exists, and you can continue with the next step, which would be to click next. And you can delete this text, or the subdomain from your domains. You can delete this once you're done. It doesn't need to be there. Okay, wonderful. Now your certificate is ready. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to download both of them before I show you what to do next. And over here in Loopia, I'm going to just delete the subdomain real quick. And before I exit this menu, what we're going to click here is Force SSL. So this is going to redirect all your traffic to HTTPS automatically, so you don't have to worry about that. And you will have these two saved. So we're going to now copy the certificate and the private key into your Loopia customer zone. Start using SSL for increased security and higher Google ranking. and you click on I already own a certificate. Now you will select the host name here and simply paste in your certificate and your key. So I'll take my certificate here, paste it in there, take my private key, paste it in there, and you add the SSL certificate. And you are now done mostly. I'm just going to show you what you have to do to activate it, or rather not activate it, but just the 1 or 2 small changes you need to make if you are running a WordPress site. But I will just show you that it is working now by going to my domain name, and you can see that it's secure. Okay, once you're in your WordPress site, what you're going to do is just click on settings, and you're going to change all the HTTP links into HTTPS, as you now have a working SSL certificate on your website, and you go ahead and save those changes. Fantastic. And if you want to check out Loopia, I will leave a link down below.